So can you,
clean.
yeah, naturally take out all the bolts to everything. Can you imagine a scenario where you have to take all this plastic off for any reason?
Yeah, if you gotta do anything to these. Off this part.
You gotta break it and lose it.
Yeah.
Break this off.
I just delete it.
So, as you can see, somebody's been working on it. We'll do, see, what do you think it takes to get this running? 4 minutes? Like to get it to start?
Yeah.
And then an hour to put it all back together?
Yeah, 2.
2. And this one,
Hell yeah.
someone's gnarling on that one a little bit.
Oh.
What we're gonna do is put a jumper on it. We'll do an 18 volt Milwaukee just so we know it has enough to fry the stator and everything.
Hell yeah.
Just get it all done, get it all in one.
I'd put 2 on at once.
2 on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we could do them in series. I think that would 36 volt.
36.
We could do 36 volt.
That'll make
If we did that and it cranks fast enough, the clutch will move the
turbo.
If we get the flywheel to spin fast enough, the centrifugal clutch should engage and we're driving.
It'll work
even if it don't start. You like when you see the ads online and it says Gott's key.
God's.
Okay, crunchies. I'm gonna hold that brake. We'll see if she even wants to crank. Okay. I guess we'll test the battery to be sure. I want to check that inline fuse. It's probably gonorrhea. I'm gonna get in here. These are priors. You want to get in here? Blake's got priors. He knows what I'm talking about.
There's a couple of things.
Undunsies. Prior experience with the
China.
With the Chinese ATVs. Yeah, with China.
Chinaman.
With the foreign market, and the exportations of, he's already said too much.
I don't want to talk anymore.
Yeah. You ready to go, boy? All right, I want to see if it's got a plug in it.
Try and just crank it.
All right, it'll run. Well, we got it running. Now we'll just drain the carb, see if it's getting fuel, and then maybe go through the carb, put a battery on it, and then put it all back together.
Get rid of all that.
Yeah, you can delete that right away. So we just gave the plastic sole spinaroonie, got them right back in the way. And we're gonna clean this carburetor and the tank and a little switch and then put a battery in it and then put it all back together, and hopefully within an hour or so, should be good to go. We got battery down there charging. Should be good. Say it again. So you said you need more extension ends.
More extension.
You're like, that's so stupid. Don't waste my time with shit like that. Like, dude, why would I even... telling you, I would have had it with 3 more extensions. Nice. He's like, I don't use these China ratchets.
Hell no.
Not the red ones. The ones that are red, you could tell they're red. This ain't even the right red. You could tell. Damn, somebody modded that choke lever, or it just comes pre-bent like that?
I think it comes.
Maybe that's the one I need to put on my other one.
Oh yeah.
Well, Blake totally could clean that card. We've got a...
He did a bowl delete for a little while.
There's a couple things going on for it.
It was sunk in the Red River.
That's not only water, but it looks to be sand as well, right?
Oh yeah.
Or just straight up red water from the river.
It's red dirt, yep. Red water.
Red water. It's trash water. So we're gonna just put new carb on it. Dirt will absorb the water. That's what they did here. There would be so much water in here if it wasn't for the mud that went in with it. Like, you guys don't even understand. Good thing carburetors are only $14 even with the tariffs.
Surprisingly.
Oh, yeah, for now. Started. Here, let's see if it makes a difference. It's gonna quiet it down some. A little PP blaster.
I don't know if it's the same.
Shit. No, that's totally normal for these. For this model. And then starter assembly. And then we should be done with this thing, boys. Although it wouldn't start a minute ago, the battery's dead and it's leaking fuel. You guys are gonna ride it. This is like an old 2-stroke in that you're gonna have to work on it. Not that it's fun or fast or, cool. All right, turns out we was all wrong, boys. So what we did, we went ahead. Naturally, we replaced the whole engine, used the same flywheel cover. No, we replaced the starter. Sounded worse.
Way worse.
Sounded
Way worse.
So we're like, he didn't have that on the side, and he had a bunch of bolts on his foot peg. I thought maybe one fell in there. Blake pulls it off again. That's the noise, boys. It's the noise, boys.
Making the noise.
I bet you that's why it doesn't start every time too, because that thing will be like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Come on, fellas. Torqued to spec. That's torque spec. You want to use your torque spec. Dude, you can't be drinking. You can't be popping bottles, bro, while we're working.
That's that Cristal.
Did you bring enough for everybody?
Yeah.
Okay, then I guess I'll be all right.
But I left it at home.
Yeah, I was gonna. I didn't think you would. You just said no drinking. I wonder if this is charging the battery. It must be, right?
They're probably equally.
It should balance them out.
Charge.
Yeah, both. Yeah, going right to the engine. That's what they call it. It's electrical evaporation. When you guys, also the oil is it's a fruit.
It's about 3 times.
Too much aero. Dang, dudes. I guess we could have inspected it a little more thoroughly the first time, but it is what it is. I jumped the gun and thought it was the starter clutch or the start. I've been dealing with a lot of starter clutches lately.
Good as new.
Sweet.
Wow.
No more clap. This thing's a $450 now instead of a $325.
$500 all day long.
Because that sure like it needed a whole motor sound.
It's only got 30 minutes on it. Son rode it once.
Yeah.
And was scared of it.
Yeah, that's what happens a lot of the times on these high-powered machines. The kids, they get on them. They got a friend over.
They loop it.
They end up crying.
They try and make a turn on it.
It just drives off. Boost. Guys, so and then we put it together, and then I think that might be it. Now we have to sell it. Look at this piece, dude. They built that one in for you. Look at nice.
Oh, hell yeah. I did that.
Hell yeah. I did that with the Impact yesterday. Fully seated it. You want it fully seated. Guys, I feel so much better. It sounds so much better. Oh, shit gonna bite? Nelly, come on, slobby lips. Yeah, I know. Where that kid at? I just wanna see him. Yeah. She's good now, boys. They won't spin him. Ew! Whoa! That throttle song! Right in the track.
You gotta grind off the deals on it where you can actually turn it all the way right.
Yeah, to the right. So show them full right turn.
Full right.
And then full lefty.
Straight.
Yeah, full right is going straight. Oh yeah. You're running good now. And then too sketchy, bro. They're fast at ability at all.
Go.
Oh yeah, there goes that extra oil now, bro. We better go ahead and change it. You see it coming out? Now we got an extra oil situation.
Yeah.
Put some nice 5-weight 90 in it. Sounds like the choke's on now. Let me look at it. Maybe I can see it. This is not choked now. Race these two or what?
That was gonna tear his ass.
I can't hold the camera and ride that at the same time.
I'll ride that one.
You want to put a little air in the tire? Look at this one. This is a nice square tire.
Hell yeah. She's ready to come off the beat. I think it's gonna run now.
When you kill it, do this. Don't even mess around touching that, Blake said. You'd be even sorry. All right, on 3. 1, 2, 3. can't even keep your seat on and stuff.
It doesn't click on. Oh, my hat. Shit. Better hold this. Oh. I can't turn that way.
Nailed it.
Oh shit, we lost the seat.
That's what happened.
It don't help when the seat comes off. That wasn't an operator error. Oh shit.
Send it through that mud, you won't.
Oh no.
Get it running. Once we get it running, then we can go from there. The seat came off. That's what
It
happened.
don't help when the seat comes off.
Oh my
That
god.
wasn't an operator error.
What's up, guys? It's that time of year. Maybe we're going through a bunch of these Chinese Christmas quads. We also got a bunch of winterizing to do. So building another chicken coop. Going through this one next. A couple others. Lots more videos going to post on the channel. You guys be sure and comment. I'm going to be responding to the comments on this video for the first few hours. Get up in there, guys. I appreciate it.